My dear models, the pop-up number 4, the Poison Trousseau, is now hanging in the display window. It is an intense fitting where we place a definitive lock stitch on toxic legacies and family manufacturing defects to weave a true sisterhood in its place. It is with this strong piece that we choose to temporarily lower the iron curtain of the manufacturer. The workshop is taking a 1-month spring break. For our clothing line to maintain its drape and flexibility, it is vital to know when to turn off the machines from time to time. We are taking this month to take inventory, sharpen our scissors, and above all, cultivate our own inner ecology behind the scenes. We cannot sew armor for others if we don't take time to reinforce our own seams. While the display window is closed, the shop remains accessible. Take the time to try on or re-listen to our previous canvases. Remember to subscribe to Taille Unique on your favorite listening platform and leave us 5 stars to support our independent craftsmanship in our absence. Take care of your own fabrics. We'll meet again very soon with new patterns. And remember, if no size fits you, wear your own. See you soon.